that former president or President-elect Trump has won back the White House, what does that mean for his pending criminal state and federal cases against him? Lori Tucker is with our legal analyst, Greg Isaacs, to try to sort it all out.
Greg, thank you for coming in.
Lori, it's good to be here.
This is unprecedented territory from a legal perspective. So here's the deal. If a sitting president has a broad immunity against prosecution, what's the threshold for a president-elect?
Well, the threshold is very simple, and you have two parallel trains. So what's going to happen to the pending federal prosecutions and state cases? Lori, you can talk about the Constitution, you can talk about all the different statutes, but the answer is they are going to go away.
Now, what about the state case, though? Sentencing in the New York so-called hush money case was set for November 26th. After the election, but before Trump takes office. So where does that case stand? Because it's already been decided.
Let's start with the state cases. That case in New York, President Trump was convicted of 34 counts of financial irregularities. Judge Merchant has a status date on November 12th. Very important because he's going to decide whether the Supreme Court immunity ruling for presidents applies to that conviction. What's going to happen, whatever way he rules, if he rules that it does, case dismissed. If he rules that it doesn't, you're going to see appeals to the New York Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, federal court, and then again to the Supreme Court. So we have years. So I don't think the sentencing hearing scheduled for the 26th is inevitably going to take place. Atlanta, the RICO case, where Fani Willis, in a very far-reaching criminal complaint, charged President Trump, Rudy Giuliani, all with conspiring for election fraud.
For the 2020 elections.
And that case is still on appeal because she had an inappropriate relationship, allegedly, with her special prosecutor. I think no matter what the Court of Appeals says, the Trump team is going to appeal that once again. But really, their lawyers have had a very simple but brilliant strategy: delay, delay, delay. Now, let's talk about the pending federal prosecutions. You have the January 6th with Jack Smith, the special prosecutor, where President Trump was charged with interfering in an official proceeding when the election was being certified. And in Florida, we have the classified documents case.
And doesn't he have, as president-elect, then president, doesn't he have more power in these federal cases than he does in the state cases?
Well, let me tell you how easy it is. President Trump now will have, when he is sworn in, the power to appoint a new attorney general. Merrick Garland needs to start looking for a different job, packing his bags. And then you're going to see the new nominee ratified by the Senate, Jack Smith, and I think Donald Trump said it would take him 2 seconds to terminate him. The document case has already been dismissed by Judge Aileen Cannon. That's on appeal. That will be dismissed. So I think Donald Trump's winning the election is not only a great political strategy, but a brilliant piece of legal maneuvering. And these cases, Lori, are going to go away.
All right, Greg, thank you. Don.
Lori and Greg, thank you. Hey, if you have a legal question, you can send it to Greg by sending it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. Remember, we also talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on Channel 6, but we have a deeper conversation. You can tune into that on WATE.com at 2:30 in the afternoon.